So guys, for a fair sketch we have to make AB line 4.5 centimeter. From the point B we have to make a 105 degree angle with the help of compass, not from the protractor. You have to make the each and every angle with the help of compass. Okay, now from point B you have to make an arc that is 7.5 centimeter at the point B from C, here, like this one. Okay, now guys, you will get the point C. Now from point C you have to make an arc 120 degree from the point C with the help of compass. Guys, I know that. So this is the 120 degree. Okay, now I don't know where the point will be intersect this line, so you have to make an angle of 75 degree from the point A to getting the intersecting point D. So guys, this is your intersecting point and this is your 120 degree, as you know that. Okay, and this is your intersecting point and this is your 75 degree, which is the required angle. So guys, like you can see, this is your required triangle, required quadrilateral. Okay, and the steps of constructions are here. The steps of constructions. Now, first step, make a base of AB equals to 4.5 centimeter. Second point, make an angle of 105 degree from B point. Make an arc of 7.5 centimeter from point B. Okay, to get the point C. Now from point C make an angle of 120 degree from point A. Make an angle of 75 degree, which will intersect the angle line, the angle 120 degree at point D and join to point A. You will get required ABCD quadrilateral. So guys, these are the steps of construction to follow. Okay, so now we are going for the next, the last one concept, and that is if we have three sides. Now we have three sides and any two angles. Okay guys, so let's start the last one topic. When we have three sides and any two angles. So guys, this is the next topic. If the three sides with the two included angles of the quadrilateral are given. Now we have three sides and included three angles. Okay guys, three sides plus two angles, but the condition is the angles are always be included by the three sides. Okay, suppose construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which three sides are AB, very good, BC, very good, CD, angle B and angle C. First of all, you have to see, you have to check what are the angles are given? The angles are angle B and angle C. So guys, you have to form BC as a base. BC. BC. Okay, BC, and BC is 6 centimeter. Angle B is 105 degree. Guys, you know that how can we found 105 degree? You know that each and every student know that how can be found 105 degree. If you are making here, so definitely the 105 degrees here, like this is a 105 degree. Now angle C 80 degree. Guys, you know that 80 degree cannot be formed with the help of compass, so you can form the 80 degree or those angles which cannot be formed with the help of compass, you can form with the help of protractor. So angle C with the help of protractor, this is 105 degree. This is 80 degree. Now CD 7.5. CD, you have to make an arc of 7.5 to getting the point D. AB, BA 5 centimeter. This is the point A. Now you will join this one. Okay guys, this is 5 centimeter. You can see 3 sides are given and 2 included angles are given. Now let's start the video with a phase diagram. Now guys, first of all we have to make the base BC. Make the base BC. This is your base BC of 6 centimeter. Now you have to make an angle 105 degree at the point B. So this is 0. You know that how can we found 105 degree? So this is your 105 degree. Now guys, you have to form the angle C, that is 80 degree with the help of protractor, because you know that 80 degree cannot be formed with the help of compass. So guys, this is your 80 degree. This is your 80 degree. Now guys, please see that CD is 7.5. So you have to make an arc of 7.5 centimeter from the point C of 7.5. So from here, please make an arc like this one, that is 7.5, and that point is D, 7.5 centimeter. Now guys, you have to make an arc from point B to getting the line segment AB, or you can say side AB of 5 centimeter from the point B. So guys, this is the point, this is the arc of 5 centimeter. Now you will join these two lines. You will get your figure. You will get your figure. Okay. Steps of constructions, you know that how can we write the steps of construction. So guys, here this chapter practical geometry is completed. Guys, if you found any doubt, any query, please contact with me, okay, via comment box, via WhatsApp to me. Okay guys, have a good day, God bless you, bye bye, take care.